Hey there, folks. Welcome to TechSpot Solutions. Today, we're gonna take a deep dive into the awesome world of cloud computing. And in this video, we're gonna tackle one of the core services offered by Amazon Web Services, AWS, called Virtual Private Cloud, or simply VPC. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of VPC, let's talk about why it's such a big deal. You see, in the cloud, resources are shared among a bunch of users, which is great for scalability and saving some dough. But it also raises concerns about security and isolation, and that's where VPC swoops in to save the day. Alright, listen up. AWS VPC is like having your own secret lair in the cloud. It's a virtual network that lets you launch all kinds of AWS resources in a totally separate and secure section of the AWS cloud. You're in control of the whole shebang: IP addresses, subnets, routing tables, and network gateways. It's like being the boss of your own cloud data center. Now, check out this sweet diagram to help you wrap your head around it. In the middle, we've got our VPC, the heart and soul of it all. Inside the VPC, we can create all these different subnets, sort of like different zones within your network. Some subnets can be public, meaning they can access the internet, while others can be private, keeping your precious stuff away from prying eyes. But wait, there's more. On the fringes of our VPC, we've got these awesome gateways. First up, we have the Internet Gateway, which is like your own personal portal to the internet. It lets instances in your public subnets connect to the wide world out there. And then, we have the NAT Gateway, which is like your own secret agent. It allows instances in your private subnets to communicate with the internet while keeping them all stealthy and protected. Alright, so how can we put AWS VPC to work? Well, the possibilities are endless, my friends. Let me drop some knowledge on you with a few rad use cases. Hosting web applications. You can set up web servers in public subnets while keeping those sensitive database servers tucked away in private subnets, adding that extra layer of security. MultiTier Architecture. VPC lets you build fancy schmancy multi-tier setups. You can have your front-end servers, application servers, and database servers living happily in separate subnets, with total control over how they communicate using network access control lists, ACLs, and security groups. Hybrid cloud. Now, if you're rocking an on-premises infrastructure and you want to extend it to the cloud, VPC's got your back. You can connect your existing setup to the AWS cloud using VPN, Virtual Private Network, or AWS Direct Connect, keeping everything running smoothly. And that's a wrap, folks. AWS VPC gives you a rock-solid, isolated, and totally customizable networking environment in the AWS cloud. Whether you're hosting killer apps, building fancy multi-tier architectures, or bridging the gap between your on-premises setup and the cloud, VPC's got you covered. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We hope you found this breakdown of AWS VPC both informative and entertaining. If you've got any questions or topics you want us to tackle in future videos, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content on all things cloud computing. Catch you on the flip side.